Hey, my little artists. Today, we're going to make little monsters out of toilet paper rolls. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Today, what you need is you need a toilet paper roll. You need some glue, and I put my glue in a plate because I feel like that's easier. And then you need some scissors and markers or crowns. And then you need some kind of paper. It can be colored paper or it can be white paper. I made these with white paper. So I'm gonna do this one with a piece of colored paper. All right, you ready? Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your toilet paper roll. You're gonna lay it down on your construction paper. And then I'm going to, I don't know if you can see, but I am marking right here the top of where my toilet paper roll goes. And then I'm gonna roll it a little bit and I'm gonna make another little line. Then I'm gonna make another little line. Then I'm gonna make another little line, so it looks like I'm making a little street or a little dotted line, because that's what I'm doing. Okay, so this looks like a little road, doesn't it? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut on that dotted line. Okay, so I'm cutting straight down. Then I'm going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. Okay, so I just like to take my paper and dip it in the glue like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna hold this onto my toilet paper roll with 2 fingers. Let it sit there for a second. Sometimes I have to hold it for like 10 seconds or so. And then I'm gonna take this other piece and I'm gonna wrap it around. And guess what? This is extra. So I'm going to stop and wait and cut. Okay? Then I'm gonna take my finger, put some little glue, more glue on top there, and then I'm gonna hold that down for about 20 seconds. Okay? Now, I have my monster body, all right? So now I'm gonna take my monster and I'm gonna make some eyes on my monster. So you can look right here at my thing. You need to decide, are you gonna do 1 eye, 2 eyes, 3 eyes, 4 eyes, 10 eyes? Okay, I'm gonna do, let's just do 2 eyes. I have one with 1 eye and one with 2 eyes or one with 1 eye and one with 3 eyes I showed you. Then I'm gonna draw little lines here and I'm gonna put eyes right like that. Okay, and then you don't have to do a nose. On this one I didn't do a nose, and on this one I did do a nose. So I'm going to, I think I might do like a little nose like that, okay? And then I'm gonna make a squiggly mouth like this. And when I think of monsters, I think of teeth. So I'm gonna do teeth like this, okay? And actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna color all this in black, and I'll tell you why. Because when I make my teeth on this, they are red, and I don't want red teeth. I want white teeth. So I'm going to color this all in black. And something I think that adds to a character when you're making it is eyebrows. So you can make furl eyebrows, you can make wiggly eyebrows, scary eyebrows. Then I'm going to take my white construction paper and I'm gonna cut little triangles. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. So these are little bitty triangles, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on my mouth. And then these are gonna be my monster's tooth. And don't worry about that glue. It will dry clear, so Not a big deal if you see a little bit of glue on there. Okay. And then I'm gonna take another one. I think I need at least one more tooth. Put it in my glue. Okay, there's my monster. And now I'm gonna make horns. Okay, you can make horns. Not every monster has a horn. Some monsters have hair. So I'm gonna take, and the trick with making your horns is to make a curved triangle. And the trick is to make them a lot longer than what you need them, because they're gonna go down in the toilet paper roll and be glued. So then I'm gonna take my marker and I'm gonna make little curved lines for my horns. Then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in some glue, put it right over here, just like that. Then I'm gonna put it right over here, just like this. There's my horns, okay? Now, for the hands, you are going to make 2 rectangle strips of paper, about the same size. And if you fold your paper over in half and cut it, then you only have to make 1 cut. Then I'm gonna take my paper and I'm gonna fold it back and forth, back and forth. Man, my hands have glue and marker all over them. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back, forth, back, forth. And then when I let go, ta-da, it springs. And here's one little hand. This monster has some long hands, so if I want to, I can trim it down a little bit, okay? And actually, I might not even need that other strip. I could just cut this strip in half. It just depends on how long your strip is. So then I'm going to dip this strip in some glue. Okay, and then the fun thing about this is it becomes a little puppet, because you can put it on 2 of your fingers and just, there's my little puppet, okay? All right, now I have my little puppets and they can play and have fun together. All right, guys, I want to see your monsters. And if you want, you can even have legs in the same way that we made the arms. All right, I hope to see your monsters. I can't wait, and keep creating, guys.